Yes, we are here talking about the Rare Planet Parade this evening. We had similar variations of it over the last month or so. Coast TV News, First Alert Meteorologist Chris Mastrobono here. I hope everyone's having a wonderful Friday, getting set for the weekend. We're here to talk about a pretty cool event taking place tonight in the skies. A planetary parade is going to be taking place across the country tonight, and you may have heard about it in the recent months. We've actually had variations of it take place. If you noticed some bright stars, those are in fact some planets that are very visible in the sky. As we take a look here, the planetary parade is basically a phenomenon of planets that you're all able to see basically in a straight line across the sky. And it's going to be, as you look at the planets right now, you're going to see all 7 of them in the sky. A rare event, you want to look low on the horizon virtually after the sun has set. Now, as we take a look here, you're going to really be able to see really Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn all without any elliptical assistance, without any binoculars or telescopes. Now, Venus, Jupiter, and Mars are going to be the most vivid, the most bright. I mean, when you look in the sky, you're going to be like, yeah, that's definitely a planet. Mars will appear more of a pinkish color. Now, Uranus and Neptune, those you will need a binoculars or a telescope to see those in the sky. But the good news is you'll be able to see all those other planets without any vision. Now, as I mentioned, you'll see just after sunset, and we're going to have pretty good viewing of this tonight because we are expecting clear skies across the area. Now, if you look here, you'll see the planets. Mars from left to right. You'll see Mars, then you see Jupiter, there's Uranus, Neptune, as well as Saturn, Mercury, and Venus. You want to look low on the horizon. Now, we are going to see a similar version of this later on in the year as far as a 4-planet alignment, but as far as the full-blown 7-planet alignment, the next time this is going to be seen is not until September 8th, 2040. So if you're an avid stargazer, or you're into the planets, you're into space stuff, this is going to be your night to shine and get out there and see this event take place. Now, if you have any questions, shoot us a message or a comment there on the link, and we'll be happy to answer it to the best of our abilities. Now, this planet parade, as I mentioned, we had variations of it over the past month where we were able to see at least 6 of these planets after sunset. Now, this is also the best chance to see Mercury. Now, as the Mercury's often a hard planet to see, but with this event taking place, you'll be able to see it pretty good throughout the night. Now, you want to get to a dark place. You want to get to an area where you could see the horizon. I know we have this part of Delmarva is very flat, so there's ample opportunity to be able to see this after sunset. The sun will be setting just before 6 this evening, and we're going to be dealing with a lot of clear skies out there, so you're going to have ample opportunity to see this. And this is just one of many different lunar events that we're going to be seeing. Many different many celestial events that we're going to be seeing throughout the year. We have a lunar eclipse coming March 14th. We have another planet parade in August. We have various full moons and supermoons, and also meteor showers that are expected to be seen throughout this year. So pretty cool event taking place here tonight. And if we take a look at the forecast for tonight, we're going to be dealing with plenty of clear skies. So ideal viewing conditions for this, we're going to be seeing a temperature of 48 around 6 o'clock, mostly clear skies throughout the area and through the evening as well. It'll be a bit breezy, but nonetheless, we're going to be dealing with clear skies throughout the area. And there's a look at your weekend planner. We are looking at a pretty nice weekend ahead with temperatures in the 60s, and there's that Arctic front that we've been telling you about coming in. It's going to feel very cold by Sunday morning across Delmarva. but we are going to be dealing with some really nice conditions tonight. Again, that planet parade taking place tonight, and that's when you have all the planets able to be seen simultaneously along a line in the sky, and that is what we're going to have. Again, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, all are going to be visible with the naked eye without any elliptical use of a binoculars or a telescope. Although, as I mentioned, Uranus and Neptune are going to be the hardest to see, so you will definitely need a telescope to see those. Now, right before the sun, right after the sun sets is going to be the best time to see this. And as I mentioned, you want to get an opportunity to come out and see it, because we're not going to see this event take place again until September 8th, 2040. So a long time away from that, but you'll see very, very bright stars in the sky. That is in fact Venus, Jupiter, and Mars. Those will be the most vibrant of the planets in the sky. And then Mars will have a kind of like a pinkish kind of tinge to it. So that's how you'll know that is Mars. And then just to the right of that, Jupiter. And then further to the southwest, Saturn, Mercury, and then Venus will be in the sky tonight. Now, again, you want to get to a dark place low on the horizon. You don't want any kind of obstruction. This is definitely something you don't want to be in a city environment. You won't see much of it. You want to look low away on the horizon and make sure that you're looking from in a west fashion. We are going to be seeing most of this through tonight, and then as we go into the weekend, it'll kind of tail off with this event. Now, I don't know if anybody's noticed, but you have been able to see some of these planets over the past few weeks, particularly Venus, Jupiter, and Mars have been pretty visible out there. We had a similar planetary parade late in January, and then that kind of carried over to this kind of grand finale event that we're going to be dealing with tonight across the area. Again, so hopefully you'll be able to get out and take a look at this pretty cool event. And usually, I mean, when we get these events across the area, it's either cloudy, or we got some storms, or we got rain or snow. But hopefully you'll get out and take in on this cool, rare celestial event. And that concludes our live stream today. Hope everyone has a wonderful weekend, enjoys the weekend, and stays warm with that second half of the weekend coming in. As you saw, we got that Arctic front coming in Saturday night. It's going to be feeling like the teens Sunday morning after feeling like 60 degrees tomorrow afternoon. Have a great afternoon.